Alright, Positively Delivers, this is Dr. Gigi Sunga from I Can Change Project. Magandang umaga sa lahat ng delivers natin. And sa first time po tayo mapanood sa YouTube channel, thank you very much. Please subscribe, click na po yan, Dr. Gigi Sunga. And papunta tayo sa MOA ngayon for IMG convention. So, meet na natin yung mga OFW natin, mga kaibigan. And thanks to Ma'am Laura and Ma'am Jen for the opportunity na makapunta tayo doon. And of course, salamat din kay Mang Lito, yan, drive sa atin. Okay, naisip ko lang ngayon on our way to Manila, that there are 3 life principles that I did not follow. Okay, kumbaga may mga accepted principles kasi na sinasabi sa atin, di ba? Tinuro sa atin sa bahay, tinuro sa atin sa school, sinasabi ng mga tao within our circle, mga friends natin. There are 3 principles that I violated. Okay, I violated, but these violations make me more successful. Alright, so ano ba yung 3 principles na yon na hindi ko sinunod, that made me a different person now, na lumisya ako dun sa traditional, dun sa normal. Okay, so what are these 3 principles? Number 1 is, ang sinasabi nila lagi ng mga tao sa paligid natin is, do what you love, di ba? So, gawin mo kung ano yung, kung saan ka masaya, kung ano yung gusto mong ginagawa, okay? But for me, I did not do that. I did not do what I love. I'm doing what is needed, okay? I'm doing what is needed. Right, so let me concretize that one. For example, in my YouTube channel, when I started my YouTube, first few months ko, ang lagi kong ginagawa is what I love, the topic that I love doing. I love discussing about transformation, about things that I want to do, so something like that. But that's not what is needed by my audience. So hindi yun ang gusto ng aking crowd, hindi yun yung gusto ng mga tao sa paligid ko. So I have to do what is needed. Ano ba yung kailangan ng at present, what I have, okay? My audience in my platform. Ano yung gusto nila? Ang gusto nila, you know, something that will inspire them about finances, changing their finances, redirecting their life. So something like that. So I shifted from the topic that I love, from the things that I love doing, I shifted dun sa gusto nung aking crowd. Okay? So, that's what is needed. Ano yung kailangan nila, di ba? Like for example, in different business, di ba sinasabi nila, gawin mo kung anong gusto mo, dun ka mag-concentrate sa business. Pero what if love mo yung ganyang business, hindi naman yan ang kailangan ng yung community, di ba? I think it's better to produce, okay, what is needed sa community mo. Alright, so para you're not only serving yourself, you're serving people. When you do what is needed, you're serving people, and when you serve people, you know, doon na nag-start yung mga rewards. Alright, so that's the first thing I did. I did not do what I love, I did what is needed. Alright, so second life principle that I violated, I did not follow, is secure your future, work in government. When I graduated in 1994, I think, 1994, as a teacher, so after passing the licensure examination for teachers, hindi ko alam, si father ko pala ay in-apply niya na ako dun sa friend niya na malapit sa amin, okay, na isang administrator sa isang school dito sa Bataan. So after receiving my, you know, nung pumasa na ako, hired na pala ako. Okay? So kasi ang katwiran ni tatay, magturo ka dyan sa public para yung future mo sigurado. Okay? So that's how we train, di ba? So magtrabaho ka dyan ka na lang sa munisipyo, dyan ka sa kalapit sa school mo, diyan ka sa ano na kumpare ko, diyan ka magtrabaho para nun secure the future mo. But I violated that. After 7 years, I resigned. Okay? Because there's something in me na parang gusto kong mag-explore. I want to do something different. So I resigned, then I work in Manila. I work in different NGO. Then after a year, I went back here. Then may mga nag-advise na naman sa akin na balik ka sa public, something like that. Magturo sa public para yung future mo, sure. But I didn't follow that. I stand firm to work in private. So, for 14 years now, nasa private school ako. Okay? And, it gives me a freedom to do things, that I think can serve more people, that I think can develop my potentials. Alright? So, that's the second principle. I violated it na dapat mag-work ka sa government and to secure your future, because I believe that yung security na sinasabi nila, you can also have that wherever you are working. Yung future na dapat meron kang, pag retire ka na, meron kang mga pera, di ba? Yun na may habol natin sa government, di ba? Pero sa akin, you can use this period of your time while working to secure your future. Alright? Third principle that I violated is live a simple life and be happy. Yan naman yung lagi sinasabi dun sa atin, di ba? Pumasok ka, you work, then you go home, then watch TV, spend time with your family circles, or you sleep, then you wake up again in the morning, then you work. So I violated that. I live a slightly complicated life. Slight lang naman, okay? Paano ba kinomplicate ang buhay mo? I complicated it in a more positive way. For example, after work, normally, pagyari ng, di ba, yung karamihan ng tao, pagyari ng work, pahinga na sila sa bahay. Ako hindi. After work, medyo kinomplicate natin ang buhay natin. So, nag-vlog tayo ng mga restaurant. Then, pag-uwi natin, nag-upload tayo ng video. Then, nag-prepare tayo for my seminars and other consultancy job. And Saturday naman natin, ginagamit natin. Yung iba, pag Saturday, nasa simple lang ang buhay. Nasa nagmomol, naggagala, something like that. So, tayo naman, nagsiseminar, nagbo-vlog, and gumagawa na ibang bagay. So, slightly complicated yung aking buhay. Slightly lang naman. And it's in a positive way, okay? And that makes me more successful because it gives me, other than serving people, fulfilling what I like, my potential, what I like to do, it also gives me income. Alright? So, these are the three life principle na sinusunod ng karamihan, but I did not follow. And there's no regret, of course. Wala tayong regret doon kasi nakita ko na I can secure my future at present. Second, I serve more people. There are a lot of people, that are messaging me. Ang dami, nakakatuwa. Mga kaibigan natin, lalo OFW, na ngayon nag-start na sila mag-invest, nag-start na sila mag-plan to have their business, to go home, to be with their family. And may natutulungan tayo, and mga thesis nila, nagagawa ng thesis. And of course, pag nag-seminar tayo, I have crowd na 100, 200, thousands, sometimes more than 1,000. And the little thing that I'm doing to them, that I influencing people, alam ko pag uwi sa bahay ng mga yon, may nababago ng konti, and that makes a lot of difference, diba? So, delivers, this is my own personal opinion, personal principle, okay, na sometimes you are going to leave the 97%, diba? Follow the 3% that violated some of life's principle for good to be more successful. Alright, so please share this video sa mga kaibigan natin, mga friends mo, para sama-sama kayo. You have to think about it, kung anong principle ba ang hindi mo dapat gawin at gawin mo para mas successful lang yung buhay at mas marami kang matulungan. Alright, so thank you very much, Delivers. Enjoy the rest of the day and let's go, let's go!